What if I told you that the vast majority of our universe is made of something that we cannot see, can barely understand, and yet somehow shapes everything around us? Something mysterious, elusive, and, as scientists grapple with it, fundamentally reshaping our understanding of reality itself? This force, this phenomenon that is fundamentally altering the very fabric of our cosmos, is what we've come to know as dark energy. Stick around, because the secrets of dark energy will not only stretch your mind, but they may also change how you perceive the universe and your place in it. To understand dark energy, we first need to unravel the mysteries of our expansive universe. Here's an intriguing proposition. What if the universe isn't just expanding, but is accelerating in that expansion every moment? It may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but current astronomical observations suggest that it is indeed the case. In fact, it was 1998 when astronomers made a jaw-dropping discovery, realizing that distant supernovae were dimmer than expected. The laws of physics couldn't explain their light's behavior, prompting a revolutionary conclusion: our universe is not only expanding but doing so at an ever-increasing rate. So, what could be driving this strange expansion? This is where dark energy enters the picture, shrouded in enigma and leaving many questions unanswered. You might be wondering, what even is dark energy? Surprisingly, it makes up about 68% of the known universe, yet its nature remains one of the greatest puzzles in modern cosmology. It's often described as a vacuum energy that fills empty space, imparting a force that accelerates the expansion of the universe. This mystery becomes even more intriguing when you consider that in the early universe, gravity was primarily the dominant force, pulling everything together. But as space continues to expand, dark energy stands as an unseen adversary, pushing everything apart. It feels almost poetic, doesn't it? Our universe, a battleground where forces collide, driven by the fundamental laws of physics we are still trying to decipher. It's fascinating to note that the story of dark energy is relatively new in the field of astronomy. Just a little over 2 decades ago, it was a mere whisper on the lips of scientists. Today, it stands as a glaring reality that renews both curiosity and awe. Can you imagine what was going through the minds of the researchers who first uncovered this? They were not just grappling with numbers and data, they were unearthing secrets that could change humanity's perspective on existence itself. Now, here's something you didn't expect: our understanding of dark energy is as variable as the theories proposed to explain it. Some scientists argue that it could be a result of the cosmological constant, a concept introduced by Albert Einstein himself. The cosmological constant was initially discarded after the realization that the universe was not static but dynamic. But now it's made a strong comeback. It paints dark energy as a constant energy density filling space homogeneously. On the other hand, there are dynamic models, such as quintessence, where dark energy evolves over time, changing the very nature of our universe as it expands. Each model offers a lens through which we can glimpse the universe's destiny and how it will all play out one day. What comes next will leave you speechless. Some models even suggest that the future of the universe could end in a big freeze where galaxies drift apart and stars burn out, leaving behind a cold, dark cosmos. But what if dark energy is not just a cosmic constant but a reflection of something far more complex? Every moment you spend contemplating dark energy unveils more layers of this cosmic puzzle. Have you ever thought about the implications of a universe dominated by an invisible force? What if our entire understanding of reality hinges on something we can't directly observe? It's quite likely we are living in a universe where our perception is limited by our tools and methods, a humbling thought indeed. This leads us into another realm of inquiry. Could dark energy be pointing towards dimensions beyond our current understanding? Some theories incorporate the idea of our universe existing in a multiverse framework, where countless other universes expand and contract simultaneously. If this concept holds any truth, do we have the capacity to tap into insights about our own universe from these neighboring realms? What if dark energy isn't just a universal phenomenon, but a cosmic echo that reverberates across many dimensions? Consider this: the very fabric of the universe is interwoven with immense potential, yet here we are, just seemingly skimming the surface of its secrets. Each inquiry we pursue may ripple through the cosmos, challenging our existential imagination. You might find yourself questioning how much of the universe truly remains shrouded in mystery and how much we are prepared to confront. However, let's return to the foundations upon which dark energy stands. The term itself may conjure images of black voids or limitless expanses, but the reality is much more nuanced. Dark energy is not merely an absence of something, it is an entity in its own right. The equations governing gravity, such as Einstein's general relativity, require an explanation for why we perceive gravity to be weaker than we expect on cosmic scales. Could dark energy be the missing piece of this puzzle? One crucial aspect of our inquiry is understanding how we measure dark energy. Cosmic surveys, such as those conducted by the European Space Agency's Euclid mission and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, aim to map the geometry of the universe in unprecedented detail. These observations can provide insights into the distribution of galaxies and the cosmic web that connects them, potentially yielding clues about the nature of dark energy itself. But here's where it gets tantalizing: the very methods we employ to observe dark energy may yield results we didn't foresee, forcing us to reevaluate our understanding of the universe. The cosmic microwave background radiation, remnants of the Big Bang, tells a story of the early universe often shaped by dark energy's influence. As cosmologists delve deeper into these remnants, they learn about the composition of the universe, revealing startling connections that constantly redefine our reality. Another avenue in our pursuit leads to the age-old question of whether dark energy is truly constant or whether it is changing over time. If dark energy can evolve, it would significantly impact the fate of the cosmos. A universe governed by dynamic dark energy could expand forever, or it might ultimately collapse. Isn't that an electrifying thought? The fate of the universe resting on the very characteristics of something we barely grasp? As we piece together these cosmic puzzles, we encounter additional hidden realms associated with dark energy. The gravitational influences of massive bodies, the enigmatic role of dark matter, and the quantum effects that might arise from empty space all intertwine in a grand tapestry of the universe. Each thread we unravel can reshape our understanding of existence itself, leaving you anticipating what's next, maybe a deeper connection to the cosmos. And then, one cannot ignore the philosophical implications of dark energy. If the universe is governed by a force that we cannot see, what does that imply about human perception? Our reality is bounded by what we know, and yet we exist in a universe where the majority is shrouded in secrecy. It begs the question, are we naive not to consider that our understanding is just a speck in the vast tapestry of what truly exists? Drawing closer to concluding this first part, ponder this: the realm of dark energy reminds us of an ancient truth: the more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. As we progress through this exploration of dark energy, you may find yourself forever changed in your perception of the universe. In a moment, we will delve into the more startling revelations related to dark energy and the potential futures it may usher in. Continuing on, we will explore the transformative ideas that might shake the very core of cosmology and challenge our understanding of the universe. But before we venture into those exhilarating depths, consider the implications of the information so far. Just a short while ago, the concept of dark energy was a flickering light on the horizon of science, now illuminating our understanding of everything around us. Are you ready to dive deeper into this cosmic mystery? A journey filled with awe, intrigue, and perhaps the answers to questions we've yet to ask awaits you. So brace yourself, because the most mind-bending revelations are just around the corner. As we embark on this next phase of our exploration into dark energy, let's consider the profound implications of its nature and what future studies might reveal. Imagine this: the fabric of space-time itself is sculpted by a force we are only beginning to understand. What if dark energy is not an isolated phenomenon, but part of a deeper set of interconnected cosmic truths? One transformative idea is that the universe's fate hinges on a cosmic dance between dark energy and dark matter. While dark energy drives the universe's expansion, dark matter serves as a gravitational anchor, influencing the motion of galaxies and the structure of cosmic formations. It's a delicate balance, and understanding how these two dark entities interplay can unlock insights into the universe's ultimate fate. Could dark energy and dark matter be different manifestations of the same underlying reality? This tantalizing notion challenges physicists to think outside established paradigms and imagine new frameworks where both constructs coexist and interact. Consider the current state of matter in our universe. Ordinary matter constitutes only about 5%. You may find it astonishing that the rest of the contents blend. Dark energy's stupendous 68% with the remaining 27% comprising dark matter. This hierarchy reveals that we are effectively living in a cosmos dominated by what we cannot directly observe or comprehend. With the absence of sensory feedback, we are often prone to underestimate these dominant forces and their colossal sway over the cosmos. Yet, they dictate the timeline of existence itself. What if the evolution of dark energy as a cosmic driving force is not just informative but prescriptive? Theories like the Big Rip suggest that as dark energy accelerates, it could lead to the fabric of existence itself unraveling. Galaxies, stars, and even atomic structure might disintegrate. The potential scenarios become a source of existential contemplation, engaging us in thinking about the long-term consequences of our universe's journey. We often focus on our immediate human concerns, yet perhaps we should widen our lens to ponder the ultimate fate of all existence. Right now, as you contemplate the content of your environment, the air, the stars, your own beliefs about the universe, I invite you to consider how pivotal dark energy is in all of this. It constantly reshapes the landscape of existence. It teeters on the edge of our comprehension, yet it epitomizes profound, unexplored mysteries. Next, let us consider the possible experimental frontiers in the search for understanding dark energy. Scientists are developing increasingly sophisticated methods to probe this enigmatic force. Projects like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory will generate unprecedented data on the dynamics of cosmic acceleration, while space missions, such as the forthcoming Euclid satellite, look to create a detailed three-dimensional map of galaxies. There's an irony in the pursuit, as we employ both groundbreaking technology and theoretical logistics to explore a phenomenon that challenges our basic understanding of physics. It is essential to recognize that with each new discovery, we may encounter unexpected results that compel us to revisit our assumptions. Armed with data, scientists may reveal a universe teeming with surprises, confounding earlier models built on the traditional axioms of gravity. Who knows, the next big breakthrough could redefine dark energy itself, or maybe even exonerate actual laws of physics that have long stood unchallenged. Now, let's venture down the rabbit hole of philosophical implications once more. If our universe is fundamentally shaped by forces we cannot observe and do not yet fully understand, what does this mean for our perception of reality? We often perceive ourselves as the center of existence, interpreting the universe through a distinctly human lens. To grapple with dark energy is to step into a broader cosmic framework, suggesting that our intuitive understanding is but a narrow slice of a far greater reality. The mysteries of dark energy may indeed proffer a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. Caught in a fragile web amid unseen forces, we can only marvel at the wonders around us without full comprehension. The mere act of considering these cosmic intricacies fosters a sense of interconnectedness with the universe. Dark energy also raises questions of determinacy versus randomness. What is predetermined in the unfolding of our universe, and what remains subject to the capricious nature of existence? In framing dark energy as a cosmic enigma, we must also reflect on the inherent limitations of our scientific methodologies. Our understanding often hinges on mathematical models and hypotheses based on observational data. But as we've seen throughout history, science is far from linear. Each leap forward can invariably create new sets of questions and challenges. To fully embrace the uncertainty is to elevate our quest for knowledge, not as a destination but as a continuous journey. As we navigate the cosmos with dark energy as our guide, it feels relevant to consider how this pursuit impacts the human experience. If the universe is fundamentally expanding, isn't that a metaphor for our own journey? As humanity stands on the brink of scientific awakening with exciting endeavors such as quantum computing and space exploration, the echoes of dark energy serve as a reminder that curiosity knows no bounds. We are privileged to be part of a lineage of questioners, wanderers, and seekers whose collective efforts have propelled us into an era of scientific exploration. The interplay of dark energy and dark matter isn't merely fodder for astrophysical inquiry, it serves as an allegory for the human condition itself. The dance between light and darkness has long captured humanity's imagination. Our desires and fears reflect the cosmic forces shaping existence. It is through this lens that we can transcend scientific inquiry and delve into the philosophical and existential questions these mysteries provoke. Before we conclude this exploration, we should ponder the future. What if the ultimate understanding of dark energy could herald a new era of enlightenment? It's an exhilarating thought. Would this newfound knowledge shift our understanding of the nature of existence? Perhaps, as vast as our inquiries might be, societal evolution could foster not just technological advancements but a profound shift in consciousness, a collective awakening as we come to grips with our relationship to the universe. The final contemplation on dark energy connects back to our starting point, the universe as a vast, mysterious playground of potentials, inviting questions that span time and space. Each inquiry opens new doors, enriching our connection to the cosmos, igniting our imagination, and kindling a sense of wonder that resonates in every heart. As we wrap up this narrative on dark energy, may it serve as an invitation to embrace the mystery. So much about our existence continues to remain obscured, yet we are part of a grand tapestry woven through time, a canvas adorned with unending curiosities and infinite questions. In an ever-expanding universe, the only constant is change, and the allure of the unknown calls us to explore further into the depths of existence. So, the next time you gaze into the night sky, remember that the shimmering stars above are only a fraction of the story. The cosmic ballet encompasses a dance with dark energy, a force revealing a universe far greater, deeper, and more complex than we could possibly fathom. If this journey through cosmic mysteries has sparked inspiration within you, may you carry this spirit of inquiry into every corner of your life. After all, the answers we seek are often entwined with the questions we dare to ask. The adventure awaits, for in pondering dark energy, we embark on the most profound journey of all, a journey into the very heart of the cosmos and our existence within it.